Hey, Joy. Tell us about your first 3-day experience.
Oh my God, it was so exciting. We walked out and then everybody was waving to us and it was so cool. And then we stopped and got green bananas and
Joy, tell us a little bit about the noise that's coming from the tent next to you.
would that be April pudding or the person snoring?
Shh, let's listen to the snore.
I'll take my microphone over there. Well,
April, how do you feel about said snoring?
Well, in my medical opinion, because I have been to the medical facility a couple of times today, I found out this
Okay, I gotta stop. I have to pee.
I do too. May have a case of